Hi guys, welcome to our online class with Mr. Kingsley. We are giving two questions on the board to solve. The question is under the topic significant figures. Okay, so the first question involves a whole number, while the second question involves a decimal number. The first question says correct 5,466,340 to three significant figures. The second one is 85.734 to three significant figures. So we are supposed to convert 85.734 to three significant figures. Now, how are we going to do these two? Let's start with the first one. Say solution. Number one. 5,4,6,6,3,4,0. Now, we start counting our significant figures. Three significant figures. 1, 2, 3. Strike your line. The line of approximation. So we consider this number here. Now remember, there is a rule that says numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 0, actually 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 equals to, let's say, plus 0. Then 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 equals to plus 1. Now, what does this mean? It means that the number under consideration that you intend to use for your approximation, if it is from 0, 1, 2, 3, or 4, you add 0, or simply say you add nothing. But if the number here within this place that you are considering you intend to use for your approximation, if it is 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9, what happens? You add 1. Do you understand? Now, looking at the number under consideration here, it is 6, and it falls within the range of what? Numbers that we can add plus 1. So, you say plus 1. Now, don't put your plus 1 under the number under consideration, but you put your plus 1 just under the number before the line. The number that is very close to the line is where you either add your plus 1 or plus 0. Alright, so let's draw our line here. 6 plus 1 gives us 7. This 4, we write it down. This 5, we bring it down. Now, what happens to all the numbers after the line? There are 4 numbers after the line. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, under each number, we'll put 0. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we are done with our approximation. For number 2, the number we are given is 85.734 to three significant figures. So we start 1, 2, 3. Strike your line. Remember, the line is drawn after the value you are considering. Okay? Don't draw the line in front of the 7. The value where you have to stop is 7. So you draw your line after the 7. Is that clear? Alright, now let's consider this number. This number is the number we want to use to approximate, to determine whether to add 1 or 0. Now the number here is 3. And if you look at the rule, 3 falls within the range of 0 to 4. So numbers that fall within this range, what happens? You put plus 0 or simply put add nothing. So let's just say plus 0, okay? And then you draw your line. 7 plus 0, 7, point, remember there's a point there, 5, 8. Now, what happens to the numbers after the line? Since you are dealing with decimal numbers, you don't have to put your zeros, okay? Unlike whole numbers, where you put 0 under each of the numbers, here, when you're dealing with decimal number, you don't put zeros under the numbers after the line. You work on the other ones and leave your answer just like that. I hope the explanation is very clear. Please comment, like, and follow. See you in our next class. Thank you.